this point, the boat had been in Saint Augustine for over a month, but we really hadn't had a chance to walk around downtown. The night that we were going to go, we got hit by lightning, so we decided to head into town and take a look. Finally getting a chance to walk around Saint Augustine. Nice parking lot. What place?
End of this place. Where all the restaurants are.
Yeah.
Go back there, or you want to go somewhere else?
I'm trying.
Well, let's look at this. It's called Barefoot Bills.
Indoor and air conditioning. Oh my gosh. Let's stop and get some lunch.
And shopping.
And shopping. Oh, she's in heaven shopping. How was it?
It's fun. It's a burger.
Utility burger?
Yeah.
Much of the original construction in St. Augustine was done with coquina block, or built with what was called tabby concrete. A good example of that is the South Sailor House, built in 1565. Now we're on the hunt for something air conditioned, so we can have a beer and air conditioning. That's what we're looking for. And we better get going back to the boat in the summer pattern here in Florida. Afternoon comes and the sky falls. Here we are, sitting in St. Augustine. That is the Bridge of Lions, and that's our opening. And we're going to be heading to
Jacksonville.
Jacksonville today.
Yeah.
So let's hope it goes uneventful. Get our faith back in the boat. So here we go.
On the move.
On the move. was it 95 degrees. Storm's out on the out past the paper mill. Now, it was uneventful today. Kinda like that.
Yep.
Yeah, it'll be a rough night though.
It's a hot night.
Gonna be hot. Tomorrow night we're in a marina and we're gonna run the air conditioning.
Tomorrow's your birthday.
Yeah, tomorrow's my
Happy
birthday.
birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday. Can't believe I made it this far.
Good morning. Today is Scott's birthday. He is turning, we won't say what he's turning, but anyways, we have been cooking on the stove since we've been on the boat, but we have not cooked in the oven. So I am going to attempt to cook him a brownie cake. So this will be very interesting to see how it turns out. So I will let you know. Here I go. So the brownies are done. Remember, it was my first time using the oven. They came out okay. Looks great on top, but I burned the bottom. So we'll try again next time. Happy birthday, Scott.
Now, this is why we use Bob's Tracks. We downloaded it to the pad, and sometimes it gets a little tight. We're running between Jacksonville and Fernandina Beach, and it's low tide around us, and we want to make sure we keep it in deep water. So as you can see, all the red areas here and green and yellow, and we want to keep it right on the blue line. So just so you can see it yourself there. We're in Amelia Island. Got a shower, gotten some rest, got the air conditioning on. Yay.
Yay.
Hot today, like 100-something degrees. And we're gonna take a day or so here and relax and collect ourselves, and we'll move on from here. What'd you get?
Orange blossom.
Orange blossom. How's that look?
It's great. Tastes great.
That looks great. Yeah, I got me a gigantic cookie. Like I'm gonna be diabetic after this cookie. Hell, I could be diabetic now. I don't know. Can't get it out of the bag. I think I broke it in half when I sat down. That's just perfect.
Oh my goodness! Don't
Holy cow! What am I wearing? This is like, you gotta see this. Holy smokes! And I'm wearing white pants and a white shirt. It's Sunday, just an extra day in Amelia Island. While walking around Amelia Island, we noticed some very large trees with barcodes on them.
Any tree designated as irreplaceable by the city due to its size, age, historic, aesthetic, or cultural significance.
Welcome in. Hey, thanks. Last time you seen a cigarette machine? Takes me back to being a kid. One extra day ended up being 3, as Hurricane Erin worked its way up the coast. This delay allowed us to stay in Fernandina Beach and enjoy this historic town with incredible charm.
We are leaving Amelia Island and we're heading up to Jekyll Island, of course on the ICW. Amelia Island was a great little area to visit, and we love the historic district and exploring that island.
Yeah, the town is charming, and the hurricane gave us an extra couple of days there, which were great, and we really enjoyed wandering around. A very nice small town feel. It's in beautiful homes. It was really incredible. So, and the people at the marina that we stayed at were incredible. They were so helpful, so nice. Joe especially. Shout out to Joe. Yeah, man with the man bun. Look for him. Great guy. But we're going to go ahead and head up to Jekyll Island. It's challenging. It's very shallow water, and we really got to watch the tides and use our Bob's 423 tracks on our tablet. So we will see you next week. If you like this video or enjoyed this video, like and subscribe.